Next naman si Otto. Si Gabe, ito. Yan, nilalaro niya na si Bob. Open na natin to. Ito yung box ni Otto. Yan. Yung top, side, tapos silang lahat. Yan, pati yung box. Yan yung bottom. Now, let's open this up na. The base, backdrop, si Otto, the fruit handler. Instruction. Tapos yung pack mismo. Let's build Otto. The eyes, yung goggles. Tapos yung hair niya. Ayan. Medyo heavy yung torso. Ayan, may metal. Yung jumpsuit nila, ganda rubber. Shoes. Arms. Here's Otto. May braces pa siya. Ang cute ni Otto. Articulated yung arms, tsaka yung hand. Accessories niya, yan, banana, tapos apple, red naman, and stock ng green apple. Pati yung, ito, fruit stock. Here, pwede mong ilagay, and, pwede siyang ilagay sa head ni, yan, nababalance. Pwede siyang maglagay ng mga, yan, together with the fruits. We have Otto. Ang cute ni Otto. And ito yung kanyang backdrop. Ganda, no? That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more. Look.
Yo, more banana.
Yeah.